welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you 3 dresses that I recently purchased from J.CREW. Today's video is going to be a J.CREW try on haul video, so without further ado, let's get right into the video. The first dress that I'm wearing is this midi white dress that goes all the way past my knees. I totally love this dress because it's very comfortable and the size is just perfect for my bum. I love that it has ruffles by the arms. It is a short-sleeved dress and it also has ruffles by the collar, which is amazing. Just adds a little detail to the dress. I like that it has a little pop of color with this orange strip that goes around the dress, and also at the bottom it has the red strips. It's very simple and elegant, and it's not a maternity dress per se. I honestly do not love maternity dresses just because they're not the most stylish and they're expensive. So this dress was actually a perfect pick out because, you know, it doesn't give you that maternity feel, but then you also still get to look stylish and wear something cute. I also love that it has pockets, which is amazing. I usually don't wear dresses with pockets, or most of the dresses that I get don't have pockets, but I love that this one has pockets. And I don't know, it's just really bump friendly. This is dress number 2. It has pockets as well, as you guys can see, and it is a floral midi dress. I love how flowy it is and it gives me a lot of room. One thing that I was doing when I was purchasing these dresses was making sure to get dresses that were going to give me enough room for the belly to grow. So that's why I decided to get a size up. All J.CREW pieces always run big anyway, so that was helpful when I was shopping for these dresses. I decided to get a size up. But J.CREW would usually wear size 0 just because their sizes run big. But if it was a regular store, I would get a size 2, but I just got this in a size 4. It also has the subtle ruffles on the sleeves, as you guys can see, and on the collar. I love the print. Look at that. And I just love how the bump looks good in this dress. Yeah. So this is the final dress. It is a t-shirt dress. Honestly, nothing too particular about it. It's a simple t-shirt dress, striped and very comfortable. I like how not so fitting it feels. I got it in a size small actually. It was the smallest size they had, but the reason I got it in a small is that it's too stretchy, so you know, I didn't worry about it being too tight. So it's very comfortable. I wanted a t-shirt dress just because honestly, the bigger you get when you're pregnant, you just want comfort, you know, when it comes to clothes. So I wanted something like this that just could be easily thrown on at the house, you know, something to wear around when running errands and just feel comfortable and not too pressed and tight with clothes. So I honestly want to call these dresses maternity dresses, but not so maternity. I mean, they give you that maternity feel. They're very flowy, they're very big and spacious around the bump. You know, you don't feel too tight in them, but they're not maternity dresses, which is nice. They're just a size up from my normal size, and I could tell that they fit different from the size I would normally wear to the bigger size, because I tried a smaller size in the floral dress that I showed you earlier, and it was really tight. It was more hugging of my silhouette compared to the size up that was just, it feels like a maxi dress, which is what I was actually going for. Everything just worked out perfect for these dresses. They're comfortable, and I got a good deal for all the 3 dresses. I got 3 of the dresses for $98. They cost $89 each before the sale and before taxes, so I really got a good deal on all these dresses. I was happy. The sales associate hooked me up. She gave me 60% off on all the dresses, so I was happy. So yeah, this concludes the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was a really short mini haul, but I wanted to show you guys what I got for my maternity collection, as they say. It's been a struggle finding something to wear in my closet that feels comfortable, so I'm glad that I could purchase something, and I'm making purchases here and there but not going too crazy because I don't want to buy too much and then when the baby comes I won't be able to wear this stuff. So that's why I'm being very careful and particular on what I'm getting. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to drop some comments, give this video a like or thumbs up, show some love, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.